Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I did a couple pours a while back with unicorn spit. I realize it's been a while, so I'm going to do another one. And these are the four colors I am using. So I've got Dolly Firebird, I've got Teal, I've got Violet Vulture, Blue Thunder. The red and the purple are metallic, the other two are not. And for anyone who doesn't know what unicorn spit is, it is a gel stain. So it is water based. For that reason, I actually sealed my canvas twice with paint and primer. Whoops. And yeah. So because it can actually soak through to the back a bit, because it's a stain and it's water based. And when you seal it, you need to use something also. You need to use something oil based because the water will reactivate it. It even after it's dry, it can still be reactivated. But anyways, it's really cool, and I'll put the link down in the description for where I got mine, so you can get some of your own if you'd like. And they do have some at some local stores. But I am using the regular Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. I'm just going to use a couple as like accent colors. So this is the turquoise. And I mixed these with water and Floetrol, but a bit different ratio from my normal. This is the red metallic, but it does look very pink. It doesn't look red at all. I used like basically 50% of the unicorn spit and 50% Floetrol. Mixed those together, and then I added in just like a couple drops of water. Did not need a lot of water, but I used more of the unicorn spit ratio than my normal paint ratio. This is the black Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. And we're going to get some of this blue in here. I think this is going to come out really pretty. Add more purple. And then I think I'm just going to add more turquoise and maybe a smidge more white, and that's it. All right. There we go. Okay, so let's move everything out of the way. And like I said, this canvas is pretty well sealed. So I'm curious how this will come out. And I'm going to tree ring this. I mean, so far in the cup it looks beautiful, and coming out of the cup already looks beautiful. And I did kind of like a light to dark, back to light thing, so I think that should give us some pretty beautiful effects here. And there we go. Oop, already coming off the edge over there. Okay. You know, I'm going to actually just let this sit for a bit. I'm going to throw some gloves on real quick and we can watch it move. Okay. right, that is just gorgeous. Sometimes I really have to pat myself on the back for good color combos. This is one of them. It looks beautiful. Okay. Well, I'll let it go ahead and sit here time lapse for a little bit. So we can watch any cells that maybe come up, and then we will do our close-up. All right, we're back, so we're gonna do our close-up here. Starting on the lower right-hand corner, look at all these fun little cells. Love these colors. Over here, I think we had just the right amount of that red in there, so it's just kind of like peeking through. We have some kind of peeking through the center there. And if I go to a bit of an angle, you can see the metallic shining through. It looks like glittery. So this is the lower left-hand side, and then back to the overall view. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm totally in love with this piece. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely give the unicorn spit a try if you have not already. It's lots of fun, great stuff, and I will see you guys next time.